the studio. Did a quick trip to Savers today. We're supposed to be getting nasty weather this weekend, so I thought, well, let me go and see if I can find some goodies. And like this beautiful quilt I found at Goodwill, actually in Las Vegas. So stay tuned for the haul, and I hope you like what I find and any information that will help you if you decide to go thrifting someday and try and find some goodies to flip for a profit. Thanks for tuning in, and please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Show me some love, and I'll see you in a minute for the haul. Stay tuned. Well, here's the first part of today's haul, and it was in the kind of collectibles glass china section. So the first item is this really pretty Asian motif plate, and I like the painting on it. It needs to be cleaned, obviously. Somebody had it on a plate hanger, so there's a little rust, which I think I can get out. But it was $1.50, and it's from Duchess, made in England. So I have something to research and see, but I just thought for $1.50 it was really pretty, and I could probably get about $10 or $11 for this pretty little thing. So we'll see. The next item are these, I guess they're called snack plates. There's an indentation for a cup that would match the plate, obviously. They didn't have the cups, so what I might do is go on eBay, because the back has the pattern name and number. And since I bought 5 plates for $4, I'll see if I can find any of the cups, and if it makes financial sense to have complete sets. If not, I'll just sell as is. But they're from Wilton, China, which is a pretty recognizable name. And I just thought it was really pretty with the kind of gold specks and the wheat, no chips or cracks. And again, $4 for 5 plates. I'm not good at math, but that's good. A good number. Just trying to put them off to the side without breaking. Mugs, as I've said before, I usually do very well with. And this, when I first looked at it, again, it was $2. But it had kind of the TV dinner, so I thought it was very retro. But then when I looked on the bottom, it's actually called 50s Kitchen, and it's from Fitz and Floyd. And previously, whatever I've had from Fitz and Floyd sells very quickly. So I was excited about that. Good condition. And again, I clean everything up either before I list or before I ship. But cool. I was happy with that find. Then this little bird, I love the color, that's what caught my eye. Plus I love figures. This is modern, Ashlands, which I think might be a Target brand or some other store brand. But it was $3, originally retails for $8. I might keep her or relist her and probably get 8 to 10. But good condition and a really pretty color, like seafoam green. This next vase, little bud vase, I love the ruffled top. I love the blue. It has kind of a floral and grapes, and it was $2. And when I looked at the bottom, in the store, I could tell there was a mark, but I didn't know what the mark was. So when I brought it home, it is Imperial Glass Company from the 1950s. And again, just a really pretty little bud vase. And for $2, I could probably sell it for $12. Another bud vase is milk glass in a hobnail design, which is raised dots. It's basically what hobnail is. And again, there was a mark, which I couldn't really see in the store, but I knew there was something there. And it turns out this is from E.A. Brody Glass Company from the 50s as well, for $2. And I'll probably, milk glass is hot and cold. I might get 10 to 12 for that. Then this pretty, another vase, bud vase, but obviously taller, is glazed on the inside. And it's got what I've come to realize when I researched it is called green confetti glaze. And it's got like just really pretty lines to it. And it's from Shawnee. Can't really see that. But Shawnee is a vintage USA pottery manufacturer. So I might get about 20 for this. It's not that common a glaze. And it was $1.19. Then this little angel is from UNESCO. It's a January birthday angel. There's a little smudge on the front, which I'll try and get off carefully. But even like the real little delicate features aren't chipped, which is unusual to find no damage when it comes to little tiny details like that. But she's very pretty. She comes with her little January tag. There's a tiny little chip at the bottom of the banner, which I'll note in the condition. But I just sold an UNESCO angel about 2 weeks ago for $40. And she was $2.99. And just very pretty. Love the color. And finally in this part of the store, I picked up these two carved wooden birds. I've picked up a lot of wood lately, carved wood, and I thought these were really pretty. There is some damage, so on the inside of that wing, there's some, and then unfortunately this. So I might end up keeping these, but if I do list them, I would note the damage, the condition, and let the buyer make a determination if they want it. And I've seen similar items, and these can be dated to around 1960. Solid wood, just pretty details. I'm bummed about the damage, but you know, that happens. And we'll see if somebody wants them regardless. So stay tuned, because then I went to the home goods and the handbags. So here are the finds from the home goods handbag section of Savers. So let's see what I picked up. I've mentioned it probably in every video. I do really well with Wilton baking pans. So this one is not vintage, obviously you can tell by the condition and the type of aluminum, but it's a Day of the Dead sugar skull mold. And or I guess you could even call it anything Halloween skeleton, but I thought that was really nice, excellent condition. For $3 I can probably get 20. I do really well with Wilton. I don't know why, and I'm not complaining. Another Wilton pan is this choo-choo train for $2. It's a little worn, but it's from 2003. But a lot of the pans, unfortunately, have a lot of dings and dents, but this one is actually in very good condition. So I think this one will sell for $25. The older ones obviously do better. And then the final Wilton cake pan is Santa. Brand new, obviously, because it still has the paper. It has instructions and recipes on the inside, which is a great selling tool. And it is not marked with a date, therefore it's more modern, but still Santa. I'm having a Christmas sale in my eBay store, so I'm going to add this to that category, and everything in the Christmas category is 15% off for the month of July. Then this item, pleather, made in China, but when I picked it up I thought it was a little mini handbag, but it was heavy. So when I opened it, I was kind of happy to see it is a jewelry case. Nice for traveling, great condition. So I was excited about that. That was $5, which is, you know, on the higher end, but I think on Poshmark I can probably get 15. and it was unusual, and I like finding things that I haven't seen a million times. Then in the sheets, I picked up 2 packages of these Anne Klein twin flat sheets. People like them just for the sheets, but also to use for crafts or make curtains out of, and it was $7, which is, again, a little high, so I bought 2 of them for $14. But when I looked at selling comps, these are going for about $28 each. And if people have other parts of the set, you know, they have all the pieces that used to come with this particular design, so I can research it and date it. I have no idea when Anne Klein was doing sheets and when they stopped, but do a little research so I can date it, which helps in its selling. And again, I bought 2 of those. Then I picked up these gorgeous fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving placemats and a table runner. So there were 4 placemats and 1 table runner matching, and they're from Mohawk Carpet, which is a good brand name, and I picked it all up for $2, which is crazy, and great quality. Again, to have a full set of 4 and the table runner, I think I can get at least, I would say, 35 to 40. And there's a, you know, an artist's name on it, which I'll look into more to see if that adds any value or interest to these pieces. But I just thought they were really pretty, very thick, nice quality, good brand name. Check, check, check. Then finally, in the handbags, there was this really cute little kid backpack in a like a t-shirt jersey material, and I thought the sketch of the ballet shoes with the dimensional bows, the gray and the pink, was just a really cute little bag, especially for any ballerinas or dancers out there. And it was $5, and I think on Poshmark I can get $15 for this. Good condition, inside is clean, zipper works, all the straps work, so we'll see how she does. Then finally, I've mentioned before, I do look and pick up Vera Bradley items. Some of them are really high priced, not for somebody to purchase, but for somebody to try to resell. So I look for Vera, and I look for it at a good cost. And this little mini bag was $8. And again, you know it's Vera because she always has her logo on the zipper pull. And on their website, they list every pattern ever made, which is a huge benefit because then I can date when this bag was for sale, when it was discontinued. Very good condition, very clean, and a nice size. And I do well with Vera. And then I found another little Vera mini bag. And again, I'll look up the pattern. Very clean, good condition of the zipper. There's the Vera Bradley. And this one was $3. So I think I can get 10 to 11 possibly for this one. So I made a quick trip to Savers, but the pile of stuff is pretty impressive in my crazy studio. So now I just have to research, photograph, list, and try and find somewhere in the house to keep them. So I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the like and subscribe and the bell and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you again for my next studio video. Have a great day, everyone.